Today I am making Friabus cookies. They are a type of sweet. These are the ingredients. 200 green of butter, 50 green of real sugar, 25 green of egg white, 2.5 green of flour, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Now I am whipping the butter. To begin the process of making this delightful recipe, I carefully measure out the precise amount of flour needed, ensuring that it is sifted to remove any lumps. Following this, I proceed to add the sugar, which is an essential ingredient that provides the necessary sweetness to the mixture. I make sure to incorporate the sugar thoroughly, mixing it with the flour to create a uniform blend. This step is crucial as it ensures that the sweetness is evenly distributed throughout the entire batter, resulting in a perfectly balanced flavor in the final product. To begin with, I carefully take a small pinch of salt, feeling the fine grains between my fingers, and gently sprinkle it into the mixture, ensuring even distribution. Next, I reach for the vanilla extract, its rich aroma filling the air as I slowly pour it in, allowing the sweet scent to blend harmoniously with the other ingredients. Gradually, I introduce the flour, sifting it in bit by bit, watching as it gracefully falls like snow, and I mix it thoroughly to achieve a smooth consistency. This process transforms the mixture into a dough, a beautiful creamy dough that is both soft and pliable, ready to be shaped into whatever form is desired. I added the marzol, the cherries, and now I add the sugar, semolina. They are very good and crunchy, providing a delightful texture. Now I carefully place them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, ensuring even spacing for proper baking. It will take about 20 minutes, and when they are well golden. With a beautiful even color, they are taken out and allowed to cool slightly before serving. After 10 minutes they came out well golden. It is important to check carefully because the time is short.